So today we're going on an island hopping tour, and it's kind of sort of DIY because we're gonna do it half day. Our plan is to roam around the town this afternoon, and we rented this awesome motorbike. So let's see what this day has to offer. Yeah! We made it here on our boat that we're gonna use today.
Wait, I don't eat cakes.
Oh my god! We're here on our boat, just the two of us.
Yay, finally there's a room!
So we're planning to do a halfway, I need light. We are going to do a half-day island tour today, and this boat costs us $1,500 because it's a special trip. But if you guys are, let's say about 10 or 5, then you can split it up for a cheaper price. So Denali, where are we going today?
Going to wait, Cobra Island, and jumping stuff, diving board. Yes.
Okay, so she's in charge of this entire trip, guys.
I met you in a crowd of people. I fell for you, nothing to do. You said I'm cool, don't take me for granted. Prove I'm true, what can I do? Do you want my love? Can you see me try?
A few moments later.
And to our next stop is Cobra Island.
You said I'm cool, don't take me for granted. Prove I'm true, what can I do? Do you want my love? Can you see me trying hard to be what you need to be? Forever happy with me. I know I'm a fool, I know I don't deserve you, but I'll do my best to be a better man for you. Be a better man for you. Be a better man for you. Do you want my love? Can you see me trying hard to be what you need to be? Forever happy with me. Do you want my love? Can you see me trying hard to be what you need to be? Forever happy with me.
And your last stop is Romblon Island. Romblon. Oh my god. The entire island just for ourselves. Haha.
be with me. We're going home. I'm starting to.
What up, everybody? We're back at our hotel, and now I'm pretty sure there are still a lot of islands and beaches that you can explore, but we did it just for half a day because we're planning to roam around Romblon using an e-bike. Now, this is the first e-bike that is distributed here in the Philippines. It's actually from Honda, and it's only in Romblon as of the moment. So we're gonna take one of these e-bikes. Alright, so this is gonna be the e-bike that we're gonna use.
A cute e-bike.
It's electric. Look at that, so pretty. We are back here in Bonbon Beach. So after the island tour, we went to the lighthouse, and unfortunately there's nothing to see in the lighthouse, so we decided to head back down and just chill here in Bonbon Beach. Great. Stop and final stop is the Fort San Andres here in Romblon. The best view for sunset is actually here. I got some drone shots for ya. So check these drone shots out in 3, 2, 1. Awesome is that? So if you guys haven't been to Romblon, this is something that you need to consider when you're traveling. See you all guys in my next adventure with Denali! Hiya! Make sure to subscribe and give this video a very big thumbs up if you like it. See you all next week. Bye!
Okay.